Little field trip today. We're actually down here at the other shop. I'm going to spend the rest of the day taking all the rest of the body panels off the Miata. We're gonna go ahead and try and finish that off today. I packed up all my tools, threw them in the car, drug them down here, and we're gonna see how far we can get. Gonna be a lot of working, so might be a bit of time lapse, but I hope you enjoy. This is just an absolute ton of work. So just trying to do a little bit at a time, pulling pieces off. Sometimes they're big pieces, sometimes they're little pieces, but really honestly, just any of the pieces that are coming off is good, so we can get down to what we're trying to work with. So the goal is actually to get down to this structure right here. So I got some spot welds to drill here. Got to get this off so that I can get to those and just kind of peeling it away. So working on this little bit next, working on here. Going to try and get this off today before I leave. Or at least get it to the point where I can drill the rest of these spot welds all the way around and then pull the bulk of this off. And then it'll just be more trimming, just getting rid of this little by little and working all the way down to the metal that we actually want to keep. Floor pan, stuff like that. So definitely not going to get done today. This is a ton of work, but going to get pretty far. I'm going to try and start on this side now and see how far I can get, see if I can get this panel and some of this separated out, and at least get this side to match that side before I call it a day. Still attached. It's still attached. Oh, yeah, I missed all that. Okay, all right. Last two. For real this time. Because that's attached to that, and that's attached to this. Ooh. the piece I wanted to get off. Like, that's the piece that was gonna make this. Just because all this space. Now you can see what I need to get to. All right, I am going to call it here for today. This was a little bit more work than I expected. Got this cart full of crap off the car. It's not nearly as much as I thought I was gonna get done today, but it is still quite a bit. And the car is a lot closer to where I'm thinking it's going to end up. What was that? All right, so that's it. The car's back in the trailer. Gonna bring it back to the Ruckus garage and continue working on it there. But got a lot done today. Not nearly as much as I expected. It was kind of a lot of work. Can finally see the understructure of the car and kind of where we're headed. Also got some new ideas on fenders and how I'm gonna do the back and stuff. So I'm actually really glad that I spent the time doing this today. But anyways, that's it. If you like the video, make sure you give it a like. And if you like what you see on Ruckus Garage, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out.